Hi everyone, Jacob from Bkper here, and today I want to show you how you can use the Bkper MCP server to make your reports, financial statements for example. So I have this book here, a public book, financial statements on Google Sheets, which you can access. It has a lot of transactions for the year 2024, a balance sheet, and an incoming and outgoing statement. Okay. So in my machine, I have installed the Bkper MCP server, and with that I can access from Cloud Desktop, for example, my financial data in a book. And I'll ask it to make the LLM to make a financial statement with the data from my book. Okay, so the LLM understands that it has the Bkper tools here. Okay, and with that it fetches the data from the API, like the book we are looking for, and the balance values, for example, from the net assets group or the net income group in this case. I ask it to give some important points of attention, so it also analyzes our data. And now with this information together, it will start making a report. Okay, now it goes to the actual report. You can see that it uses some metadata which are in the book properties, so it's not only transactions. Let's have a look here. It mentions that the company has a significant loss, negative shareholder equity, which is right, and increased expenses, operational expenses. Okay, then it goes to the income statement directly. It mentions a loss with a margin of 12%, and then it goes to a traditional balance sheet with assets and liabilities, and it shows some ratios. Okay, so let's have a check. For example, 280,000 in revenue and 34,522 in net loss. Let's see if that's correct. So the net loss is here, minus 34,522.07, and here we have the revenue. Okay, so you can see that with the MCP tool in your Cloud Desktop, for example, and a simple prompt, you can already make very sophisticated reports. You can download the report like this and send it to your investors or to your partners. And yeah, you can imagine that you can, because it mentioned here the ratios, you can almost analyze anything with it. You can ask for anomalies, stuff like that. Okay, so if you like this progress that we are having with AI and LLMs, leave a thumbs up. And if you want to be updated about this kind of advancements, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be making more videos like this. Thank you for your attention. Happy bookkeeping and accounting.